Shock! How do these Europeans even make a three-way switch? Just for fun? Let's compare their wiring diagram with a real American three-way setup and see if there's any similarity at all. Because honestly, the European version looks insanely simple and almost too easy. But the American one? It's a whole different level. Travelers, grounding, hot-taped white wires. A full workout for your brain. And what do you think? Which system is better? Which one is safer? Which one makes more sense? Drop your opinion in the comments. I'm really curious. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more interesting stuff coming next.